We believe that agency is an important capacity for any young person. Having a measure to document that impact and ensure that they can properly communicate.
Agency for us as women is something we've realized is key to us being able to, one, ensure our well-being, but also measure the progress of work that is aimed at improving the well-being of adolescent girls.
It is a tool that we developed together with our collaborators in East Africa, 17 organizations across 4 countries, and the Amplify Girls Network, and we're bringing that now to India and other parts of the world.
What we are learning is very many people didn't even know of the concept of agency. So other than beginning to explore what agency is and what it means, by the time we get to a common understanding and measure of agency, there's a lot of work to come.
Being here, a part of this workshop, building towards the AGAS India, has been absolutely incredible. It's been powerful to be in the room with practitioners and girls who are experts of their own lived experience. So we have girls who are experts in what it means to be an adolescent girl and practitioners who have incredible experience in what it means to support girls and support girls' agencies.
The future looks bright. I am a firm believer that anytime we invest in agency for anybody, our lives and our world will improve.
Really will help girls kind of move through the world not being limited from reaching their full potential. So agency is key. Investing in girls' agency means the future is bright.
We've just spent 3 days here together with an amazing group of practitioners here in Delhi and a group of adolescent girls. And what's been, I think, so striking to us throughout this process is the power of people coming together to work and act in groups.
हवाओं सी बन रही हैं लड़कियां, उन्हें बेहिचक चलने में मजा आता है, उन्हें मंजूर नहीं बेवजह रोका जाना। फूलों सी बन रही हैं लड़कियां, उन्हें महकने में मजा आता है, उन्हें मंजूर नहीं बेदर्दी से कुचला जाना।